Welcome back to Top Moments TV today. Get ready because we are bringing you some intense moments and tech adventures that are not for the faint of heart. Dangerous things are waiting ahead. Buckle up and jump right in. A giant metal monster, the heavy excavator, now lay on its side, its belly exposed to the sky. The entire construction site was dead silent. Amidst the construction site full of rocks and dirt, a small pink figure stood out on a giant excavator. Sitting in the cockpit for the first time, her eyes lit up with determination. Her small hands quickly controlled the lever. In a brutal display of power, two giant metal monsters, roaring excavators, plowed into their mortal enemy. An abandoned, battered excavator now became the target of its brethren's destructive rage. A roaring, out-of-control iron monster plummeted down the steep cliff. The giant excavator, once a symbol of strength and power, was now a useless mass of metal, spinning in the air. A brand new Caterpillar 320 excavator, a symbol of strength and durability, suddenly crashed and sank deep into the cold water. This terrible accident shocked the online community, attracting the attention of millions of people around the world. A steel monster has just been released from its chains. Witness the incredible power of the backhoe as it is slowly lowered from the bed of the giant truck. Witness the breathtaking moments when giant excavators lose control and cause horrific accidents. This compilation of videos will make you shudder at the dangers of operating heavy equipment irresponsibly. Amidst the rubble, the roar of the excavator echoed, tearing apart the silence. Suddenly, a giant block of concrete collapsed, crushing the poor excavator, turning it into a pile of scrap metal. Imagine a huge amount of power packed into a metal tube, ready to explode at any moment. That is the hydraulic cylinder, a seemingly harmless device that has the potential to cause serious injury if not used properly. Witness a horrific accident that rocks a peaceful construction site when a seemingly harmless mini excavator suddenly becomes a death machine. When rugged terrain and steep slopes hinder pipeline installation, our hill pipeline cable winch comes into play. An unexpected accident happened when a giant excavator unfortunately sank into deep water. Witnessing the horrifying scene, the rescue team quickly took action. Witness the incredible power of giant excavators as they tear down impenetrable dams step by step. This video is a compilation of breathtaking moments where heavy equipment demonstrates its incredible power. The red car sank into the raging stream, water splashing everywhere. The desperate roar of the car's engine mixed with the rushing water, creating a terrifying sound. Without hesitation, he threw himself into the raging river. The water splashed and swallowed his figure in an instant. Could he survive this ferocious current? A horrifying scene unfolded when the legendary Flying Scotsman train, an icon of the British railway industry, suddenly collided with an SUV on the tracks. In the middle of the golden rice fields, the rumbling sound of the tractor suddenly stopped. The giant tractor, which used to be the pride of the farmers, now lay abandoned on the bank of a deep canal.
Rồi thì cái máy đã kéo lên luôn nghe anh em. Quá mạnh rồi. Cái máy mừng quá mạnh rồi. Quá mừng anh em ơi. Thì đâu tài xế giữ của tôi chạy cái văng tầm lum hết trơn nè.
A tragic accident occurred on the highway when a giant truck, dubbed the monster of the highway, suddenly lost control and plunged into a mud puddle on the side of the road. Witnessing this horrifying scene, local people were shocked and worried.
Putar di sini.
Witness the breathtaking scene as four giants of the transport industry, the mighty Volvo and MAN trucks, wrestle with the 200-ton monster on the deadly Gantong slope.
mau diganti dulu bannya.
Extreme tension. A giant trailer loaded with long cargo suddenly got stuck in the middle of a dangerous terrain. The situation seemed hopeless, but the brave spirit and extraordinary strength of the people won. Imagine a huge truck loaded with goods trying to conquer a steep slope. Suddenly, the engine roars, the truck starts to lose control and rushes down the slope. Horror at Batu Jumba Slope. Truck loses control, causes multiple accidents. A heavy-duty truck suddenly lost control and overturned on the dangerous Batu Jumba Slope. The engine roared angrily, billowing black smoke from the exhaust as the massive truck struggled up the steep incline. The wheels bit into the road, desperately trying to hold on. But the sheer weight of the cargo and the steep incline won.
Waduh. Apa tuh? Hop, ganjal. Sedikit lagi bang. Bawa kiri. Oke. Ups, waduh.
The roar of the engines tore through the silence of the mountains and forests. Two tractors lumbered up the steep slope, their wheels grinding against the rough road. The whole area shook as a huge tractor trailer, laden with heavy equipment, suddenly found itself in a precarious position. Its wheels dug into the ground, stuck with no way out. In a breathtaking struggle with harsh terrain, a mighty Pajero was tested to its limits. As it attempted to negotiate a treacherous, slippery dirt road, the vehicle lost traction and nearly spun out of control. The sound of waves crashing violently against the ship's hull mixed with the howling wind like wailing souls. The pitch-black night sky, swallowing the flickering lights of Merrick Harbor, created a chillingly eerie scene.
Wah, nggak kuat. Kurang gas ya? Bro, ikat dulu, bro. Itu talinya putus, bro. Bang, muatannya jatuh, bang.
The line between life and death blurred as the orange-shirted driver threw himself into the challenge of death, conquering the steep cliff. Witnessing this scene, everyone had to shake their heads in horror, admiring the extreme courage and recklessness. The monsoon season turns lush oil palm plantations into treacherous quagmires, making harvesting difficult. Torrential rains turn dirt roads into muddy rivers, making it difficult for trucks loaded with ripe oil palm fruit to move.
เอาละครับมาดูเสียกรครับสำหรับเที่ยวนี้ทีเทจุดนี้เสียกรรับเหมาคนเดียวหรือเปล่าไม่รู้โอ้เรียบร้อยครับโอ้เกือบแล้ว
Thank you for watching my video. If you like these eye-catching scenes, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next exciting content. See you in more exciting videos about dramatic off-road vehicles.